Okay, so next parade home. This is called KB 1913. It's a number by KB Homes. This is a silver winner and it's in the 400,000s. So this is another new subdivision. I did a different KB subdivision that's like maybe 20-ish minutes away. This is a different one in another part of Durham. So that KB subdivision had homes starting in the 200,000s, 2 to 3 bedroom homes, high 200,000s to like 300,000s. This one, also the silver winner, but a little bit bigger price point. So we're going from 2 to 300,000s to a 400,000. But this one is also a silver winner. So where that one had 1-car garages, this one 2-car garage, as you can see. Got powder room off the main entry, but bigger. Coat closet off the main entry, where it should be. Okay. So this is an end unit townhome. Got nice kitchen and range. All these new fixtures. This is the living room. So you got plenty of space here for a big dining room table, 2 sofas. This is your backyard space. You got the little half wall to block you off from your neighbors. Got pantry space. Oh, and this is the laundry room. So they staged it with a dog bed and dog food and water bowls. I always think this is funny because who's like locking their dog in the laundry room? I guess people, I don't know. So we've got a huge laundry room, so you can put a lot of stuff in here. And then even more additional closet space. So you just all kinds of things, including their dog apparently. Okay. And the KB Homes love to put the energy comparison sign up. That's important. I think this does have like the was it green energy rating, which is nice. Okay, and your second floor, got a landing area. We'll start on this end. Linen closet. Looks like it might be an owner's suite. It smells really nice in here. Whatever like they're using, I don't think it's this candle. It does not smell like coconut. But whatever scent they're using in here is really good. Tell me what it is so I can burn it in my house. Got double vanity, toilet, shower, walk-in closet. It's interesting. Usually you see the toilet sectioned off somehow, like in its own separate little room or cubby from the rest of the owner suite bathroom. Like if there's a fancy enough house to have like a big owner suite bathroom. Interesting choice. Okay. Secondary bedroom. Ooh, cowboy theme. Look at that backpack, the hat, the cow. Got little bowls here. Maybe this is a nod to this place being in Durham. Closet space. Okay. We have really spacious main or second floor full bath. There really is a lot of space in this bathroom. And then we have, oh, this is cute. I love this. This is very cute. It's like it's 3D art. Love that. Look at this. This is like wicker. That is so nice. This is cute. I just think when you're staging these houses, these bedrooms, make one of the rooms a nursery. I think this is cute. I think this is a really cute idea. And look at, like, this is just so whimsical and nice. It reminds me of like the house last year, the decorated like it was Christmas in the house. Like, why not? You know, do something fun. Okay, we got this is the, what's this, fourth bedroom? So we got owner suite 1, secondary bedroom. So it's 2 bedrooms, and then this is the nursery third bedroom, and this is the 4th bedroom. So 4-bedroom house. Good sized bedroom. They are constructing this development as we speak. So if you move here, you'll be living with some construction for a little bit. Honestly, all around this area, they're building a bunch of subdivisions, so can't escape it. Probably for the next 5 years. Such is the price of new construction, I guess, is to live amongst other new construction. That's your closet. I think it's a really good closet space for a secondary bedroom. Okay. And that is the KB, was it 1913, a silver winner, 4-bedroom house in the 400,000s. A surprising amount of space in this end-unit townhouse. Four bedrooms in a townhouse is pretty good. And that is it. Last goodbye to this house. And there it is in the book. Old Tavern Drive. I think that is a fun name for your road. You want to live on Old Tavern Drive.